Alright, so the next set of updates are from Instagram, and I'm so excited to bring these updates to you because some of them are very exciting, primarily because I have been facing some problems with certain features being not there on Instagram, and Instagram rightly addresses those problems, and things couldn't get more exciting for me. Now, first things first, Instagram has surpassed the highest number of teen subscribers using an app apart from Snapchat. Now, Snapchat was the leading app that most of the teenagers were using globally. Now, Instagram has surpassed that, and it is the leading platform which is being used by most of the teenagers around the globe. Now, the second update that I have about Instagram was, now this is such a cool update if you ask me. Now, if you go and watch something on IGTV, and if you would want to add that as a story, you could do that very easily going forward from Instagram. I know what you're thinking about. Now you're thinking about, how can I do that when I can only add an Instagram story for about 15 seconds, and how do you say that? Have you gone mad? Are you nuts? How can you do that? Now this is what happens. When you come across something on IGTV which you find share worthy, you can go ahead, click on the video, then you will see a small paper plane icon. So you click on that and it will give you an option to share, and you can share it in your stories. When people see that in your stories, when they click on it, or they can directly watch the whole video on IGTV, which means your stories limit is not being exceeded, but a link is given where you could link people from your Instagram story to the IGTV. Now you must be wondering about, how is that possible? Why would I share somebody's story, and why would I give them traffic? And why would I share somebody else's video in my story and send people to them, right? Now this is how it works, and I will be tagging that video somewhere here, and this is exactly how it's going to work. Now imagine you have an IGTV channel or IGTV account or an app. Now you have uploaded your own videos. You could go to IGTV, search for your own video, share it on your Instagram story, and link it back to your IGTV. Kind of confusing, but you get the essence, right? Now this is one shortcut where you could add your IGTV video to your story and link it back to people on IGTV, where they could go and start watching these videos. Now that's such a cool feature if you ask me. Now all of us understand the app called Shazam. Now Shazam is an app where that you use when you listen to a song. You know the song, but you don't really know the name of the song and who is the artist that has created this song or has made this song, right? Now you can start using an app called Shazam to recognize the song, and you could link it back to your Instagram stories, and you could post it on your Instagram stories. Now how cool is that? Adding plain stories, plain music from videos to from SoundCloud to Instagram stories. Now this feature lets you Shazam a song that you don't even know about, recognize that, and then add it back to your Instagram stories. So that's very cool. Instagram has launched a new sticker called I Voted, considering this is the election season and elections everywhere, and there is voting and polling going on everywhere. Now Instagram has introduced this sticker called I Voted in your Instagram stories that you're free to go ahead and add. It is nothing new that Instagram stories and and Facebook stories have been gaining a lot of traction in the last few weeks. Now if you remember, if you make a post on your Facebook page, you do have an option where you can boost that post, right? It's nothing but promoting an individual post rather than creating an ad campaign altogether. Now using Instagram, and you are given an option to promote an individual independent story than creating Facebook ads through the ads manager. Now if you have a story, you could simply scroll it up and go to that option where you can promote a particular story. Quite interesting and quite handy if you ask me, when you don't want to go through the whole rigmarole of creating the ad and going through the whole nonsense again. That's about it from Instagram, and the next updates that I have are from Google. Google, I just have about 2 updates today which are quite exciting. Google hotel searches have become much more exciting. Don't be surprised if they are on par with what TripAdvisor shows you or any other review website that shows you. Now they've enriched the look and feel of Google hotel searches. You get a much better looking interface, better looking pictures, of course. You have reviews, you have contact information, You have a lot of other features like price comparison across different websites, and it is a whole new enriching experience if you ask me. The second set of update that I have about Google is Google Ads have introduced a new option where you can start measuring new store visits and returning store visits from your ad interface. Now this is useful when you run a business with conversions which are physical visits to the store. Now you can try and understand how much of your audience is new and how much of your visitors are recurring customers to you, so that you can plan your business activities and marketing activities keeping that in mind. I think that's about it for today for the episode number 26. As always, I just thank you. I can only thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm very, very grateful for the interest that you're showing. Stay tuned to this channel to get much more interesting stuff. I can't even believe where it started and how I did the first episode, which was not very clear. The audio was not clear. The video was very hazy. Now, if you look at this is much better than what I did for the first time. I understand this is not the end of the road and there is a long way to go. So I need you to be with me, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not already done that. Together, let's make this channel something which is a one-stop shop for all your digital marketing updates. Thank you so much, guys. This is Casey signing off, and until the next episode, which is episode number 27, see you guys.